Welcome! Today, we're going to show you how to turn off Comment Daily Digest notifications on Instagram with the latest update. If you're tired of getting constant notifications about comments on your posts, this quick guide will help you regain control over your Instagram alerts. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, look for the menu icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines, or the icon located at the top right of your screen. Tap it to open the menu. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can customize many aspects of your Instagram experience, including notifications. After entering Settings and Privacy, find and tap on Notifications. This section lets you manage all the alerts you get from Instagram. Inside Notifications, you'll see various options. Look for Posts, Stories, and Comments and tap on it. This is where Instagram groups notifications related to your content and interactions. Now scroll down until you find Comment Daily Digest. This feature bundles comment notifications into a daily summary, which some users find overwhelming or unnecessary. To stop receiving these daily comment summaries, simply select Off. Once you do that, Instagram will no longer send you Comment Daily Digest notifications, giving you fewer interruptions throughout your day. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Comment Daily Digest notifications on Instagram. This simple change can make your Instagram experience more peaceful and focused, especially if you prefer to check comments on your own schedule rather than through daily summaries. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to make the most of your social media apps. See you next time!